Make your Naukri profile summary stand out.
Hello there. In this video, we're going to delve into how to make your profile summary on Naukri truly stand out to potential employers. It's all about showcasing your unique qualities and making sure your skills, experiences, and career goals shine. Let's get started.
Why is a good profile summary important?
The profile summary is one of the first things potential employers see on your Naukri profile. It's your chance to create a powerful first impression. Having a compelling and effective profile summary can differentiate you from the competition and lead to more job opportunities.
What should be included in the profile summary?
The content of your summary is incredibly important. Include details about your professional experience, skills, key accomplishments, and career goals. Make sure to tailor it to the type of job you are seeking, highlighting the most relevant information.
How to write an effective profile summary.
1. Keep it short and engaging. Limit your profile summary to a few sentences or bullet points. Remember, the goal is to get the employer's attention and make them want to learn more about you. 2. Use relevant keywords. Employers often use keyword searches to find potential candidates. Make sure you use industry-specific jargon and relevant keywords that match the job descriptions you're targeting. 3. Highlight your achievements. Mention your key professional achievements. These could be anything from successfully managing a team, to achieving sales targets, to implementing a new system. Use numbers and facts where possible for added impact. 4. Show your aspirations. It's always a good idea to show your ambition and career goals. This can help potential employers see how you might fit into their company in the long term.
Profile summary examples.
Let's look at a couple of profile summary examples. A software developer might say, dynamic software engineer with 5+ years of experience in the IT industry. Proficient in Java, Python, and SQL. Successfully led a team of 10 in developing a cutting-edge e-commerce application. Looking to leverage my skills in a challenging role at a tech-forward company. A marketing professional could write, passionate marketing professional with over 7 years of experience specializing in digital marketing and brand management. Drove a 35% increase in social media engagement over 2 years and managed a budget of $500,000. Seeking to utilize my skills to enhance a company's online presence and brand recognition. And that's it. With these tips, you can craft a Naukri profile summary that will make potential employers sit up and take notice. Remember, a good summary can be the key to getting noticed and landing that dream job. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your job search.